This is something kind of cool here from Clam. This is their Auger drill plate. This will allow me to use my 20 volt or greater cordless drill to run one of the augers that work with that 1/2 inch chuck cordless drill. You got to use a brushless drill, but this will make it so that I'm having a lot less torque and such on my arms and make it a lot easier to use. Let's go over in here. The guys are demonstrating it. It's just a really simple little plate here that fits right on top of it, and it allows you to use your cordless drill and make it so that you don't have all that torque and stress on your arms. This is something that's new, and a lot of fishermen are definitely checking out because, again, we can use those cordless tools we have in the house for our different ice fishing projects and such. We'll put a link in the description so you can go out to Clam and check out the Auger drill plate. This is something cool here at the Ice Institute.